Everyone, I am Labhi Sharma and I am recording these videos for Java tutorial. So this is the first video and the end of these lecture video series you will be able to uh, code in Java. So and you will have your own notes at the end of these tutorials. So starting from Java, from where Java came from. So first of all, history of Java. You will have your own notes if you note these points on your copy and the things that I am saying. So, history of Java. Actually, history of Java is very interesting, and the history of Java starts from the Green Team. Green Team. The member of Green Teams were Mr. James Gosling, Gosling and Mr. Mike and Mr. Patrick. So, originally Java was developed for embedded systems like set up box, and then it was extended. So firstly it was known as Green Talk. So at the start the name of the Java was Green Talk. After that, after some time, it was called as Oak and was developed as a part of the Green project. So the question arises that why Oak name for Java language? So oak is a symbol of strength and chosen as a national tree of many countries like USA, France, Germany. So actually a oak is a tree. In 1995, Java was renamed as Java. I mean oak was renamed as Java, and Java is named on one of the first coffee, Java Coffee. So this is the history of Java. Actually, Java is an island in Indonesia where the first coffee was produced, named as Java Coffee. So this is all about history of Java. Now move next what Java is, starting from Java. So Java introduction of Java. First of all, Java is a object oriented language. Java is an object-oriented programming language, which simply means Java is divided in the form of class and objects. What class and object means? So if we define them formally, class is a blueprint of an object and it is an imaginary part. What is object? It is a what is object? So it is a real type entity. So these are just the definitions, and if you want to know what class and objects are, then take a real life example, and in real life example we see fruits, and there are different types of fruits like apple, orange, mango. So fruit is a class and mango, apple, etc. are the objects of these classes. So It is clear that what class is and what objects are. So any object oriented language is divided in the form of class and object. So each and every object oriented programming language has few features. Features of OOP, object oriented programming language. So these features are, first of all, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. So first of all, starting from encapsulation, what encapsulation means? It simply means like there is a class. Take example of a class. So when we bind member function and data members in a form of class, like as I had told you earlier, that we have we bind the functions and members in the form of class. So simple definition of encapsulation is to bind the data members and member functions in the form of class. This simply means encapsulation. So now next is, what is abstraction? So we don't have code of the functions that are encapsulated in the class. So hide the internal details of the class from the outside world is known as abstraction. So abstraction means to hide the internal details. Now what we do in case of class, we create the object of the class and access the functions that are available in the class. So in this way class and object things works. Next is inheritance. Inheritance means to inherit the properties of parent class into the child class. So object oriented programming language has the property to inherit the properties of its parent class in the new class. Next is polymorphism. If we break this word, poly means many and morphism means forms. So many forms of anything is known as polymorphism. In case of Java or any object oriented programming language, take example area. Area can be of a square or rectangle or triangle. So there can be many form of the same function like area. So this is all about introduction. Hope you like it. So we'll see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.